there, Apple enthusiasts! Welcome to Eassiy Official. Locked out of your Apple ID and dreading the thought of resetting it? Fear not. In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to find your Apple ID password without hitting that reset button. Let's get started. What is Apple ID? An Apple ID is your personal account for accessing Apple services like the App Store, iCloud, and FaceTime. It stores your info, payment details, and syncs data across devices, enabling purchases and security features like Find My iPhone. 5 ways to find Apple ID password without resetting it. Way 1. See Apple ID password in Settings. To retrieve your Apple ID password on your iPhone or iPad, start by opening the Settings app. Next, scroll down and select Passwords. You may need to authenticate your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or by entering your device's passcode. Once authenticated, search for entries related to your Apple ID, such as iCloud.com or applid.apple.com. If you find the relevant entry, just tap on it to reveal the stored password. Way 2. Check Apple ID password on Note. To check your Apple ID password in the Notes app, open Notes and use the search bar to look for terms like Apple ID or password. If you saved it in a locked note, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to view it. If you can't find it, try other methods. Way 3. Find Apple ID password via Safari. To find your Apple ID password via Safari on your iPhone, open the Settings app and scroll down to Tap Passwords. Ensure Autofill Passwords is enabled. Then, open Safari and navigate to any website where you use your Apple ID. When prompted to autofill your password, tap the key icon to view saved passwords. Find your Apple ID in the list and tap on it to view the password. Way 4. Retrieve Apple ID password using Mac Keychain Access. Open the Keychain Access app on your Mac by using Spotlight Search or navigating to Applications. In the Keychain Access window, select Login from the left sidebar and then use the search bar to find entries related to your Apple ID. Double-click on the relevant entry to open it. Then check the box next to Show Password. Enter your Mac's administrator password when prompted to reveal the password. Way 5. Through Password Manager apps. Third-party password managers can be useful for quickly retrieving your Apple ID password. Popular free options include LastPass, 1Password, and RoboForm. How to remove Apple ID password from iPhone without resetting it. Passixer is an iOS software that simplifies iPhone unlocking. Its Remove Apple ID feature bypasses iCloud passwords and Find My iPhone, making it great for used devices. It's compatible with all iOS versions and can remove Apple IDs and passcodes, even on unresponsive screens. Visit the Passixer website to download the application. Install it on your computer. Open the Passixer application. In the Passixer interface, choose the option to remove Apple ID. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. The software will guide you through each step of the process. Make sure your iPhone stays connected throughout the entire operation. Passixer will remove the Apple ID and reset your iPhone. After the process is complete, your iPhone will restart and you'll be able to set it up as new without the need for the previous Apple ID. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, we'd love for you to subscribe, like, and share it with others. Your support means a lot to us.